is asking K to marry him. And we're talking about their ages, and they give us that all the ages are in whole number of years. And the first time, K says that Tom is twice as old as her. She says no. Some years later, Tom proposes a second time. K says, I'm now only a third again as old as you are. She said, ask me again when you're only 10% older than I am. Now, the key thing is that every time Tom and K differ by the same number of years. Tom may be older, K may be younger, but as they age, that difference always is the same. And it's this last bit that gives us the key to this problem. K says, ask me when you're only 10% older than I am. And so what that's saying is, whatever K's age is, plus 10% of K's age, will equal Tom's age sometime in the future. Now, Tom says, forget it, because you'll be 70 then. So that tells us that, okay, we can figure out, we know what K's age is. And from that, we can figure out what Tom's age is. Because 0.1 times 70 is 7. So that means Tom, in the future, will be 77. Now, that's not the answer, but the key thing is that Tom is 7 years older. That's the key. So, in order to solve this, figure out what we want? We want to determine Tom's age in years when he proposed to K the second time. Now, the second time, it said, K said she's only a third again as old as you are. So at that point in time, we had K's age plus a third of K's age equals Tom's age. Now, what we can do is we can change this equation to say, well, get rid of one variable. Instead of Tom's age, we say K's age plus 7. So now we have this equation with just one variable, so we can solve for K's age. So if we subtract K from both sides, we get 1/3 K equals 7. So we multiply both sides by 3, and so we get K equal to 21. Now that's how old K is, but the question is determine Tom's age. And so Tom is going to be 7 years older. So Tom is going to be 28. So there's our answer, and we're done.